The Dorman 926-284 brake cable adjuster is designed as a precise replacement, so the parking brake feels and functions like the original equipment part. Its equalizer design helps balance tension across the parking brake cables, which improves holding power and pedal feel on older Dodge, Jeep, and Ram trucks and sport utility vehicles. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic brake work, since it is built to match the original hardware layout and connection points. The metal construction and corrosion-resistant finish are intended to stand up to road grime, moisture, and winter salt better than a worn factory piece. Dorman backs this adjuster with engineering oversight and testing for material strength and torque, which inspires confidence in long-term reliability. The broad compatibility across many model years makes it a convenient solution when refreshing the entire parking brake system during other brake service.